Welcome to StickShiftStudios. Today I'm at San Diego GT. I bumped into the owner of this beautiful Ford GT, one of my all-time favorite supercars. YouTube sensation Doug Demuro. Doug's an all-around nice guy, and we had a great talk discussing the S2000. Be sure to check out Doug's car reviews on his channel. Here it is, guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, the McLaren Senna. The car is named after the Brazilian Formula One race car driver Ayrton Senna, honoring and giving tribute to his success with the McLaren Formula One team between 1988 and 1993 Formula One seasons. The car looks much better in person. It has a quite striking design with all these angles everywhere. And in photos, I don't think it looks very good, but maybe it's the bare carbon fiber, but in person, it looked pretty striking. It's not a beautiful car, it's a functional car, and it looks like a race car for the road, and it pretty much is. The Senna is a mid-engine, rear-wheel drive hypercar that has a mono-cage 3 carbon fiber monocoque chassis. It is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 789 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. It puts down this power through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Senna weighs 2,641 pounds, which is a featherweight with this much power. This particular car is finished in dry carbon fiber. The Senna cost $837,000. It's the hot car of the moment, and I hope to see another one someday. I hope you enjoyed seeing the McLaren Senna as much as I did. Please subscribe to my channel StickShiftStudios for more automotive event coverage. Have a great day.